Hello everyone, in my today's video I am going to tell you about the navigation button settings in your device IQOO Neo 6. So if in this device, if you want to enable the navigation button settings, or if you want to do any type of navigation button settings or you want to change it, you can do it just by following the few easy steps as I will show you in this video. So before we kick on to the video, if you are new to channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the video and you will learn all about the navigation button settings in your device. Let's watch it.